SmartStart developed this video to show you how to use your interlock and avoid issues, so be sure to watch carefully. Also, a shorter version of the video is available on our website. We offer two models of interlocks, the SSI 1000 and the 2020, which has an optional camera to take pictures of the user. The model you receive is determined by the availability in your state. How to use the interlock. Turn the ignition key to the on position. At this point, the car will not start. The LED on the hand unit will show wait while it prepares for a test. When it is ready, it will display blow. Our test requires a distinct blowing pattern. Begin by blowing into the mouthpiece without making any hum noise. While blowing steadily, add a hum to your blowing. Humming should start about 3 seconds into the blowing, but this is not critical. Just be sure you start humming without stopping your blow no more than 5 seconds into the test. Continue blowing until the unit beeps. The best way to create the right hum is to say the word "hoo" while you are blowing. You may allow others to use your interlock-equipped vehicle. However, it is considered a program violation if you are the driver and you allow someone else to take the test for you. The outcome of your test can have several results: pass or warn, abort, fail, or violation. A pass means no alcohol was present on your breath. If the device displays the word warn, it means a small amount of alcohol was detected, but it was below the fail level, and you may start your car. An abort means you did not perform the test properly. If this happens, wait for the unit to display blow and test again. When done correctly, the display will show wait while it analyzes the breath sample. A fail means alcohol above the allowed level was detected. The unit will display the word fail or violation, depending on how much alcohol the device detected. Please note that the fail levels are set far below the legal intoxication level, so just a little bit of alcohol can be enough to create a fail. Once you pass a test, you have 2 minutes to start your car. Once your engine is running, the interlock will request more tests. These tests are known as retests or rolling retests and are signaled by both a beeping and a display will show blow. You perform a retest the same as your initial test. You have several minutes to take the retest, so don't rush. Remember, you are responsible for the safe operation of your car. Please note that the interlock is alcohol specific, but items containing alcohol may cause a fail. To prevent a failed test from such items, you should drink water before testing and avoid consuming any products containing alcohol, such as cough medicines or mouthwash. If you blow a failed test, drink some water and test again in a few minutes. If the fail was related to something other than the consumption of an alcohol product, your next test will be a pass. Program violations. When you return for service, information recorded by the interlock is downloaded and sent to the monitoring authorities for review. Recorded information includes the date and time of all testing activity, engine starts, engine stops, loss of power to the device, wiring around the device, or finding a way to start the car without first passing a test. The state sets the requirements for what is considered a program violation. Your installer can give you specific information about your state. A violation will be recorded when there is alcohol above the allowed level, or not passing a retest within the time allowed, or turning off your ignition when the device is in retest mode, or disconnecting the device wiring, or starting your car without passing a test by tampering with the device wiring. Other violations include missing scheduled service or damaging the device. Lockouts and early service recall. Once you are installed, you will be required to come back for regular service on a monthly or every other month basis. During this service, you will pay for your next month's lease. The interlock will be checked for proper functioning, and the data will be downloaded for reporting. This information is sent automatically to the appropriate authorities. Lockout mode. 2 events will cause the device to go into a lockout mode. 1. You have too many violations since your last visit, or 2. You missed your normally scheduled service. In either case, the unit will display a countdown timer to show the amount of time in hours before the device locks out, and you will be charged to have the device downloaded and reset. If you fail to return for service before the lockout timer expires, a lockout will result. If you are in lockout, you will not be able to start your car. The unit will display the word lock. If this happens, you must call SmartStart for a code to unlock the device. There is a charge for this code. The code will extend your service for a few more hours, allowing you to come in for service and avoid an expensive towing, but the unit will still require you to take and pass a breath test to start the car. The code is a convenience feature other interlock devices do not have. It is there to save you time and money in the event you go into lockout. The only time the device will go into an immediate lockout condition without warning is when you blow 3 fails in a row on the device. In this case, the device will go into a temporary lockout and will display lock on the hand unit. The amount of time the device will remain in this temporary mode varies by state. After-hours support. We provide 24-hour phone support. If you require help after normal business hours, please call our toll-free number and a technician will provide you with assistance. Be sure to keep a copy of the instruction sheet handy for your reference at all times. Common questions and pitfalls. Can the interlock turn off the engine? No. Once started, the device cannot turn off your engine, regardless of test results. When do I pay for service? Payment is due at time of service. What do I do if I need to get my car worked on? Keep records and receipts of service work to show the monitoring authority in the event the device records a violation while your car is being worked on. It's recommended that you call SmartStart to report auto repair done on your vehicle. How to treat your system. The interlock is an electronic piece of equipment, and you are responsible for its safekeeping and handling. Improper care may result in a malfunction, preventing you from starting your car, and may result in expensive repairs on your service visit. Do not place it on the floor where it might be exposed to dirt or spills. Do not leave it on the dash where it is exposed to extreme heat in the summer. Will the device drain my car battery? The device does not place a large drain on your vehicle's electrical system. However, a poorly functioning system, such as an old battery or a malfunctioning alternator, may cause problems for you with the device. Additionally, if you do not use your vehicle for several days at a time, you may end up with a dead battery. Does it use my horn? Some states require your horn to be connected to the device so that when you fail or do not take a rolling retest, your horn will sound. Blowing substances into the device may result in a malfunction, which could leave you stranded. Many mouthwashes, cough syrups, medications, and some foods contain alcohol. The interlock device will detect this alcohol. This is not a malfunction of the device. Do not use products containing alcohol for 10 minutes prior to testing. You should drink water before testing to eliminate these contaminants. Most test failures occur in the morning from alcohol present in the body from the previous night's drinking. This is not a malfunction of the device. The failure level on the device is set very low, so it doesn't take much alcohol to create a fail. If you drink late at night, you may not be able to start your car the next morning, even though you are not intoxicated. Weather effects. To shorten the wait time in very cold or hot weather, disconnect the head and take it inside to keep it at room temperature. Is the interlock specific to my voice tone? No, the interlock is not specific to a certain user's tone. My device reads SRVC lock or VIO lock. What does that mean? That means that you are in lockout mode. SRVC refers to service lockout, which means you have exceeded your lockout date. VIO refers to a violation lockout, which means you have exceeded the number of violations allowed. The unit will display the number of hours left before complete lockout. The pound sign to the left of the letter D is the number of days, and the numbers to the right of the letter D is the number of hours left before complete lockout. Thank you for choosing SmartStart. We value your business and want your experience to be a positive one. Our toll-free number is 1-800-880-3394 and can be found on the front of your device, or visit us on the web at www.smartstartinc.com. Welcome to Smart Start. This segment will introduce you on the proper way to perform our blow-hum technique. You will be required to blow air into the mouthpiece, followed by a hum. The transition from blowing to blowing with a hum must be uninterrupted. The best way to generate the proper hum is to say the word "who" while blowing. Here's how it is done. So that's about 3 seconds of blowing air with no hum. When the interlock sound changes from a rapid beep to a solid tone, continue blowing but add a steady hum. Let's show that again. If at any time you need more assistance learning this technique, feel free to call us at 1-800-880-3394. One of our customer care technicians will be happy to assist you over the phone. You may also view a training video on our website, www.smartstartinc.com. Have a safe day.